Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's make it so you appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're using the app and actually online. The default with WhatsApp is that it will tell other people when you're online through a number of different avenues, through last seen, your status, and read receipts. The other person could potentially know when you're on the WhatsApp and reading and responding to messages. I walk you through the settings that you should turn off to make it hidden when you're actually using the app. I'm on WhatsApp right now, and the first thing you want to do is go to your settings, which is located at the bottom right hand corner. Once you're there, go to privacy. Once you're in privacy, there's going to be two settings we're going to change here to make your account seem offline. The first one is last seen. It's the first one, and you're going to click on that, and you want to make sure it's on nobody. This is so people see when you're last on your WhatsApp, so you want to make sure that's on nobody, so nobody can see it when you're last on. And then we can go back, and the last thing you want to do is see and make sure that receipts is off. And so now nobody can see that you've read anything. Nobody can see when you're online, and nobody can see the last time you were there. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.